Hello techies, we are in lab 5.2.3 and we are going to configure a DMZ. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You want to make a web server that runs services accessible from the internet. To help protect your company, you want to place this server and other devices in a demilitarized zone, DMZ. This demilitarized zone and server need to be protected by the PFSense Security Gateway appliance. Since a few of the other devices in the DMZ require an IP address, you have also decided to enable DHCP on the DMZ network. So in this lab, your task is to perform the following tasks. We're going to access PFSense management, and we're going to add a new PFSense interface that can be used for the DMZ. Alright, so let's go ahead and just start up lab immediately. In case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible, so you can always pause the video and walk at your own pace. Alright, so let's start up. We input the username and password here, which is admin, and for the password I will just copy and paste because of time. So just paste here and we'll go to interfaces and we'll go down to assignment, click assignment, and under assignment we'll go to add, and then we'll go to option 1. So under option 1 we enable interface, and description is going to be DMZ according to the information given to us in our task. And IPv4, we're going to change this to static IPv4. And for the, let's scroll down. So for the IP address is going to be, I think let's just copy and paste the IP address because of time. So we'll just copy this here and paste it here. And we'll go ahead and change this to /16. Change this to 16, and let's see, scroll and we'll click on save, and we'll apply changes. We'll go to firewall and we'll scroll down to rules. Click on DMZ, and okay, let's go to LAN first, and then click on copy. So when you copy these, we'll go to edit. Okay, let's see DMZ. Alright, sorry, what we click initially before we just edit. So we'll go to DMZ net here and scroll down for description. What are we giving as description? For the description. Alright, there's description. Allow DMZ. So we just copy and paste. Allow DMZ to any root. So copy and then paste here. And then we click on save. And go ahead and apply changes. And we'll go to services. Under services, you want to select DHCP server, and let's go to DMZ and enable DHCP server on DMZ interface, and the range is going to be, so let's see the range given. Oh, okay, this It's going to be 172.16.1.100. You just copy and paste here. Copy and paste to come over here and copy. And we'll paste. Scroll down, click on save. So we'll go ahead and score lab. Now, if you find this video to be helpful to you in any way, share so that others can benefit. Also, like and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.